Okay, I completed all my tables, and now I'm going to include here. I have here column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Now we're going to create the following. Okay, here I will put this. Here I'm going for KPI 1. I'm going to create a table for this one. Insert like this. Okay, then I'm going to add also I'm going to call it no matter what mean, and the series is this. Okay, and then I'm going to add max, and this is the series. Okay, I'm going to format this. First of all, I'm going to access legend goes, chart title goes. I'm going to format plot area. I'm going to select this one is the max, fill, no fill, border, no line. Okay, and for the min, I'm going to do the same. Okay. Data. Okay, I'm going to edit. I'm gonna add, no matter what this is, this. I'm going to add average, and this series here is this one. This edit is good. This is bad. Okay, that's okay. I'm done with this, but I'm going to change. Okay, the max is still in color. Average is this one. For the max we have no fill, no border. Okay, so we have only this. For the average, okay, I'm going to change. Also select data for the average. Okay, we are okay like this. Then for the average, select data, average, edit. This is going to be okay. Here we are. So we have the average here in the middle. Okay. Okay, another series. Edit. No. Add. There is the min xy, which is this, and this one is xy, where this one. Okay, axis. Okay, that's good. So I'm going to select this 50%. Okay, series overlap is 50%. Get width 50%. Okay, we have like this. I'm gonna make it like this. We can increase. Okay, we can increase this. Okay, then we consider this series here 100, and this one is 30. Okay, here we are. We get this. I'm gonna Control X, go to the dashboard. I'm gonna display this here. Okay, so we have this at the moment. So the axis here, and then I'm going to axis, and I'm going to more options for this one. Okay, bounds is we get the max. Check out, we remove. Okay, here we are. We get now exactly what we wanted before. Okay, so the values here are very similar, so we're not going to give too much here. Here we're below target. Okay, that's good. Of course, here we're going to do this in a different way. Okay, we can do the same for the other KPIs. It's an exercise for you. Okay, and let's see in the next video. Continue to format our table.